What's up, guys? Back here. What's today? Today's Thursday.
Yes, sir.
Thursday right after work. We got these in a couple weeks ago. Just haven't had the time and/or the want to get these on, but we're gonna get them before we get the dyno, which is on the 29th. But yeah, some BCBR coilovers. Pretty nice. They're not brand new, but you know, they look good. We check it out. At least see from stock height right there. These bad boys are gonna be sitting pretty back there. Other than that, see you when we're doing it. All right, guys, it's Friday. We got Sky in the back and getting the jack. Yesterday we got both of the fronts done. It was getting a little late, and the front right one was giving us trouble. The spring itself was actually pushing on the axle, which was very alarming for me. I was very terrified that I was gonna have to buy new axles, but we'll get more recorded today. We didn't get really much of me or Sky wrenching. Someone asked me what's my favorite part about working on my car. Sky,
The part when I'm done.
Amen, brother. That's it. Now,
I don't think you're ever going to be done.
no, I don't think I'll ever be done either. But the beauty's in the process. It's all about progression, not perfection. Quote of the day. Y'all heard it here first. Now, when everyone's running around saying that quote, I want compensation. You can shout me out, like my pics, subscribe, tell your boyfriend to subscribe, girlfriend, sister, mother, uncle, aunt, nephew,
Grandma.
If you got a neighbor, that's cool. If you don't like your neighbor, anybody actually. I want my videos to help everybody. That does this, but I'm here. Get it. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What's your profanity?
Sorry about him, guys.
Tire 1 off.
Tire 3 off.
Wow.
This is the second day we're doing this.
Tire 1 of the day.
Come over here.
Who would have guessed?
Sky's doing all the work.
Yeah.
Now, if you don't know much about Sky or I'm the clueless one. Sky tells me to wrench, and I turn.
He says jump, you say how high?
Where? It's just gonna be really unfortunate. Y'all see, on the 29th, are you taking that day off, Sky?
I'll be there.
Sky will be there. Y'all see, first pull in the Subaru is gonna be against this dude.
It's so rusted.
So sunny.
Supposed to slide out, but yeah. It's a little rusted. Oh! I got a majority of the way, but it's just
Oh, I see. You have to be pushed out.
needs some. I don't know what it is. I forget what it is. Rust breaker, PV blaster. That's what it is. We might actually have some. We got some
WDD nuts.
What's wrong with it? Show.
Showing the people, guys. What is this? This is the brake line, correct?
Yeah.
This is the brake line from the rear brake. We got it stuck right there. It's a little rusty, but don't you worry. My boy's got the WD. When in doubt, WD it out.
Sponsor us with another
Y'all heard it first.
battery. That'd be great.
I'm gonna come up with the name of our garage on the spot. We're gonna call it the Who Crew. No. I'll get back to y'all. I'll get back to y'all. I'll get back to y'all. I'll get back to y'all.
2 hours later.
Are you sure you're going the right way, Dweeb?
So the people at home can see. That's left.
Reverse.
Reverse. Mallet me. Let me know when you're done.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright guys, halfway done the back one. Like I said, those 2 bolts right there. We got 3 more up there. To get to the back, you actually got to take off the whole back seat. And then it's those 3 right there. Other than that, pretty much the same thing as the front. Just take them off, swap them out. Pretty day here in Indiana. What do you think about it, Madison?
I love the sun.
You ready to go fast?
Boost weather.
Boost weather. Alright guys, well, other than that, we'll be back in a jiff. Alright Sky, where do we just have to go?
Go get a 19-inch socket.
A little update for you guys. Do you know where you put the broken one? Probably tossed it.
It's back there. It's still over there.
Was taking this back bolt off back here, right there, and snapped the attachment off. So we're back and we're better. Took the Subi out. Got a nice little pull for you guys. I'll put it in the clip right now. Alright, Sky's got the final last coilover going in. It was rough.
It wasn't too bad.
Not too bad. A lot of smushed fingers, but other than that,
no broken bolts, no strip nuts.
you recording?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we finally got it done. So, Sky, we clear? Alright, well, see how low she sits.
Here's the big reveal.
I like it. It's definitely a little
It's
little
high.
lower.
It needs the pocket front. It's not gonna compress.
Oh yeah, too. There's no weight.
I'm shaking. It's cold.
It don't move at all though. I think it looks aggressive.
Yeah, I like it.
Your back's up a little bit more
Oh my gosh.
in the front.
So, I guess you could record me.
Yeah.
So, luckily, the guy I got these from, he said like 35 minutes away from BC, and he actually got the coils professionally. What would you call that? Spec'd?
Set up.
Yeah. But other than that, till next time, I don't know what else we'll have in the rest of the video, so if this is it, farewell, goodbye, adios. I appreciate you guys watching.